Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Dr. Susan over here with us from Louisiana. She's a chiropractor that came all the way over here from Louisiana to get adjusted because chiropractors a lot of times these days are just doing therapies and they're not really adjusting. Isn't that right? We've been discussing that all week. Yep. So you watched this on YouTube and saw the different type of adjustments I did and decided to come over and try it for yourself, huh?
That's right.
Okay, so let's have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me. And then back to neutral. Now Susan went to chiropractic college right here in Pasadena in Houston area. To Texas Chiropractic College, isn't that correct?
That's right.
Yep. Texas Chiropractic College has graduated some of my very dear friend and colleagues here in Texas. Dr. Richard Broussard used to be president there as well. He's a good friend of mine. He was also on the board. Okay, Susan, so I'm going to decompress you first today. Okay, butt right here, head up this way. Susan's been suffering from fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome for how many years now?
About 20.
20 years. Which actually, here, slide down underneath that, impacted you so much you had to quit practicing, correct? Okay, you can relax your hands right there. Fibromyalgia is a widespread systemic disorder where usually the patient hurts all over and is often associated with chronic fatigue syndrome. In my personal and professional opinion, it is overdiagnosed for patients who have widespread pain. However, it can certainly be a real condition to people, which it is to Susan. There you go. Feel that all the way down?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So you're still kicking, you're good. Okay. Let me have your neck here. Tilt left. Atta girl. Tilt right. Yes, ma'am. It's like a bowl of Rice Krispies. I'm just pouring on the milk.
It's only fair.
That's right. Alrighty, let's come over here on your tummy next. Crack addicts probably getting tired of my lines. Oh. Yeah, see, right leg's still a little short today. Gets even, so her right SI joint's still off a bit right there. Is that tender? Not bad.
More
Left
on the
one
left,
more?
actually.
More on the left?
Right there, yeah.
Okay, so we'll get both of them for you. There. In the sacrum, straight superior to inferior. L5 straight P to A. L4 straight P to A. Now a lot of people because they're not actually getting the adjustment done themselves go, well, he's not really doing anything when that table drops. But do you feel the adjustment when I did the table drop?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. So that's coming from another chiropractor, guys. There we go. Let's turn you on your back. The drop pieces they give me an accelerated shear force when I do a high velocity, low amplitude thrust. Whatever I'm adjusting keeps moving when the table drops. It's BioPhysics. A lot of other techniques use that. Thompson, Pedibond. So I've done this way just a bit. Put both arms out like that. Just both shoulders, clavicles, and against your ribs. There we go. Okay, you can relax your hands on your tummy. Let me have your leg here. Okay. Atta girl. Okay.
That actually went all the way to my neck.
Oh, it did? Wow. There we go. Good job. Okay, let's sit you up and face that away today. There we go.
Much better.
Yeah, it is better. Smooth and not so grindy today. This one's got a little creptus in it, but it's still not as bad either. There you go. You're noisy everywhere. Even chiropractors are noisy, huh? See, for all you crack addicts that don't know the difference, we're not cracking bones. We're actually opening up the synovial joint where a nitrous gas bubble explodes inside the synovial joint. That's what the cracking noises are. We are moving synovial joints when we adjust people, but the cracking noise that you hear is a nitrous gas bubble that explodes inside the joint. And then you're back. Now, I've been adjusting Susan's feet for her this week and get a better grip on you. There we go.
That's the best that's moved.
There we go. That's the best that's moved for sure. On your big toe. There. Are you being cooperative today? There we go.
Yeah.
Atta girl. Okay, good. Now let's stand you up here and shoot you. You're in Houston. Alrighty. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me, huh? And back to neutral. Take a look. You're standing up taller. You're
Yeah.
still just off to the right, just a tad. I still think that's due to your sleep.
My right shoulder's down a little bit.
A little bit. So we're gonna come here. Yep. You'll feel a little tap right there. Right there. Okay. Now try that again. See if this feels any smoother.
Yeah, it's less tension in the
Yeah.
back.
Good. Take a look in the mirror. You're more centered up right now.
Yeah.
How's your toes feel right now compared to when you walked in?
I'm not having any pain in my toes.
Great. So, coming from a chiropractor's perspective, which you are, what would you have to tell our crack addict fans around the world about the Johnson chiropractic technique that you came here to get from Louisiana?
It's a more intense technique, but you really feel like you've been adjusted and moved and reset and actually
In every way, huh?
in every way. And actually, you know, the couple adjustments that I've had, my posture is actually, you know, I feel more centered over my body, and it, you know, it's really been a good experience.
Oh, good.
The ring dinger's not as intense as it
As
it
it
looks.
appears, yeah.
Yeah, it's not as scary as it looks.
Yeah,
but
that's
it
good.
really helps. You can feel it all the way down.
Yep. Yep. Well, thank you for sharing your experience with everyone on your YouTube channel. This is your Houston chiropractor coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief with Dr. Susan this morning. We'll see y'all soon.